Here is a story of rise, fall, and comeback. A little boy born in America, not having an absolutely ideal childhood, he was forced into tennis as a child by his father. He used to hate playing tennis. There was a very tough environment where failure was not an option. He, in the early teenage, when he started playing tennis, he soon, as a teenager, came into top three of the world ranking, and then he reached these finals also of Grand Slam, and then in 1995 to the world number one. But the things were not as linear as you could imagine or one could imagine. Andre Agassi's ranking crashed in 1997 to 141. Yes, from 1 to 141. Then came injuries, self doubt, and mistakes. They all piled up. Everyone was shocked except Andre Agassi. Everyone thought he was finished. But he was the only one who knew every choice he was making was leading him away from happiness. But Agassi chose not to quit. He started training hard, he started rebuilding from scratch his game, his attitude. He found a new coach as well, who didn't just work on his skills but helped him heal inside out. Step by step, Agassi started rising again, back to the top of global tennis. He won all Grand Slams. For 101 weeks, he became the number one tennis player in the world. He also won Olympic gold medal. But the real transformation came off the court. Agassi realized victories are temporary, but meaning comes from helping others. He dedicated himself to philanthropy. He built schools for underprivileged kids and redefined excellence as making a difference in someone else's life. And Agassi's life teaches us that success isn't about never failing. It's about rising, rising again, learning, and choosing to be better. Every day, no matter how lost you feel today, you can write a new ending to your story. So, whenever you face setbacks, remember Andre Agassi. Fall, learn, rise, and never stop giving back. If this inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that can change your life. Thank you very much.